Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for DBMS. Today we are going to continue the topic called indexing DBMS. Today we are going to see what is exactly indexing and the types of indexing with some relative example. When I have doubt, when I have continuity, one can please kindly check the playlist. And if you want to crack the example like UGC, GATE, anything, the tutorial definitely helpful for you. Let's see what is index. We can say index is nothing but used to quickly retrieve particular data from the database. Suppose you all of you know about the real time the textbook. If your textbook, what will happen? If you want to, there will be index is there. Suppose I want such a topic called SQL. It will show in the index SQL page number 50 like that. Similar to that only, we are doing is the indexing in the DBMS also. So I'm missing the point options here. So indexing can achieved by creating index table or index here. Moreover, it consists of two columns which are key value for remember. The two columns of the index table contain hubs of selected columns of the table data of the database here. Let's go for structure of the index here. So it consists of like such key data reference value. Data reference value is single index. This is example of key everything for index in the database. Here, generally, before going to this, discuss everything, we have to know the types of indexing. It is called primary, it is called clustering, another called secondary. So in the primary, there are two types. One is called dense, another called sparse indexing. Let's see, discuss one by one. So here, search key generally consists of what? It consists of copy of the primary key or the candidate key of the database table remember and data reference. Here, as just now discussed the structure of the data indexing. Here, data reference it always contains a set of pointers that hold the address of the disk block. Moreover, the disk block contains the actual data referred by the search key here. Remember, and single level index. Here, it is somewhat like index where you can say in a book. Just now I told you real time example. Say book contains topic names along with the page number. Similarly, the index table of the database contains keys and their corresponding block address. Let's say the example of some student data, you can such suppose one or the represent the particular student, and so on like that. Then primary indexing. We'll discuss the types of this one. Primary index is nothing but the index table created using primary keys. That is called index table created with the using primary key. That is called primary indexing only. As most of you know, the DBMS we already discussed what is primary key, foreign key, and so on and so on. Like remember, and it is always dependent on order data. Somewhat order forming here, and it's these are also unique and not null. Remember, and then it's a structure of the primary index here. See here is there 4 5 field 1 field 2 and block 1 block 2 is a data file like that. Then second index here it is a two level indexing. Remember, it is used to reduce the mapping size of the primary index here. So what are the size? It may reduce it here. Moreover, here it consists of some characteristics like such keys are always candidate keys and these are sorted, but actual data may or not be sorted and requires more time than primary indexing as such keys cannot be null. Remember, and this is a dense index and blocks as a whole like this. From this is a example for dense index here. See 10, 30, 50 like that like this sir. It's a laser pointer better. Let's come to cluster indexing. Cluster index is one of the useful one where we can say multiple data records found at one place here. If you want to achieve faster retrieval, what you can do, you can group columns having similar characteristics here. Here, moreover, you can say is one of the special type of index which reorders the way records in the table are physically stored on the disk here. Remember, it always sorts, stores the data, row in the table are view based on the keywords here. The upcoming session will go for some example. Later we get clarity about the clustering indexing also. And now go example clustering. Here you can say pointer to block at not record here. 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. This one having some subdivisions like 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1 and 1, 2 and 2 having sequence subsequently 2, 3, 3, 3, 4 and so on and so on, sir, and order indexing. So is one of the traditional way of sorting the given fast retrieval here. Moreover, here is further in two categories. One is called dense indexing and sparse indexing. So dense indexing, you can say the index table contains records for every search key will have the database here. So what is the use? Because it always makes searching faster, but requires a lot of more space here. That is a drawback here. And sparse indexing, when you come to the point of sparse indexing, it consumes lesser space than dense indexing, but it's a bit slower as well. So when you go operation wise, dense indexing fast and sparse indexing very small here. Let's remember here. Then this is an example given here. Sparse index A B C D. E, F, G, H is there. Here we can divide it into subsequent to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and so on. Data file index. This small info or is a structure of space sparse index here. Let's come to the multi-level indexing. So here multi-level index, what happened here, the index table is already stored in the main memory and has huge amount of data requires a lot of memory space here. So here we use B plus T data structure for multi-level indexing. Remember, so if you go data set, you know what is data structure? Types of data set like everything is a binary, binary plus, sorry, B plus and so on. Later you can refer it. Here the leaf node of the B plus tree contains the actual data pointers. That's what we are using the multi-level index here. At last, some of the advantage of index you can say it helps faster, quick result for or quick data retrieval. Let's say the real time of a textbook like anytime, any data can retrieve very fast and also fast sorting. When you want sort also can do and grouping are also very easy. And here tables are slow, small in size, so require less memory. These are about the information indexing. What is index? I hope that you understand about what is indexing and why we need indexing and the types of indexing and so on. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.